As long as you have a Fox body, you can win this spot.
This is the last spot that you can even get in the show.
Golden ticket.
I got a golden ticket. I got a gold. No, you might catch me at the bar. Wow, catered lunch, VIP space, jacket, all these things, Jen. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today's video is not about views, guys. It is about you. That's right. Regular viewers of the channel, people that enjoy Gearhead 704, enjoy Fox Mustang Restoration, we are giving away a VIP spot to Chocolate Fox Show. I'm at Fox Resto right now. I'm gonna bring Jen, the co-owner of FMR, in. She's gonna tell you all about the show. Then we're gonna tell you what you get with the VIP spot. One thing you gotta know about that is this is the last spot that you can even get in the show, and we're giving it away. So we're gonna tell you all about that, and then lastly, tell you how to win it. So let me go ahead and bring Jen in here, and we'll get started. Jen? And there we go. Welcome back to the channel.
Thank you.
We're doing a little bit different format, but I'm really excited about this one because I was just telling them, this is the first time you're doing Chocolate Fox.
Yes.
Right? One of the things that people might be familiar with, I am familiar with, is Foxtoberfest itself. Big show, been run for a long time. And I was kind of thinking of Chocolate Fox as sort of Foxtoberfest, but in the north. Is that a fair comparison, or what are you guys thinking of it as?
Yeah, absolutely. So Foxtoberfest obviously has had a huge response over the years, but we've talked to a lot of people in the Pennsylvania area because we do the Carlisle show who were like, I want to go to Foxtoberfest, but it's so far away. So we decided to bring sort of Foxtoberfest to the people in the Northeast. And so we decided to create Chocolate Fox in Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, that's why it's Chocolate Fox, right?
Right.
Because Hershey candy bars. I'm getting excited.
And there will actually be chocolate there, so.
There we go. Other than chocolate bars,
Yeah.
which I'm excited about, what else can we kind of expect from the show?
We will be at the AACA Museum, which is really exciting. It's a Smithsonian affiliate. It has 3 floors. They do have some stationary exhibits, but then they also have like changing exhibits all the time. So there's a ton of stuff to look at. If you're any type of a transportation or car fan, that's a really great place to like look at all different kinds of things, transportation history.
And the rotating exhibits too.
Yeah, exactly. So there's not just the Chocolate Fox show where all the foxes are, but you can also go inside, take a breather, see what they have to see as well, which is really exciting.
And the admission to Chocolate Fox, they already have a spot. That includes the admission to the AAC, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So anybody that has purchased any registration, be it VIP or regular registration, you already have a ticket to get into the museum.
Yeah. But I said this before you got here, but if they haven't purchased that yet, then the VIP spot we're giving away is kind of their only way to get in now, right?
Yeah, actually this show, we've had an amazing response. We are completely sold out of regular car show and VIP. So if you're a vendor or you want to sell things in the swap meet, those are still available, but everything else completely sold out. I will say that spectator and spectator parking are free. So if you want to...
they're free, that's cool. That's a little different than Foxtoberfest.
Yeah. So if you want to bring your Fox and put it in spectator parking, that is free. You're welcome to do that. I encourage you to come early because we don't know if the spectator parking is gonna fill up and then there won't be anything else available. That could be a possibility just based on the response that we've already seen in the car show.
Get there early, basically.
Yeah,
what time is it starting up in the morning? I think VIP is different, you come in early, right?
Right, so that is one of the benefits of having VIP is that you can park between 7 and 8. Regular parking starts at 8 a.m. for the car show and for spectator, but VIPs get in at 7 a.m.
Very cool. And so one of the things they probably know, but it's an all Fox body show. So if I roll in there my 94, 95 Mustang, I'm not getting in, right?
Yeah, I don't care if you have a Ford GT. You're parking in spectator. Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah. I mean, it's
an
totally
all
fine.
Fox show. It's like that's where our heart is, and that the spaces are reserved for those cars. And also, it doesn't matter the restoration stage of your Fox. In fact, at Foxtoberfest 2019, we even had a car on a rotisserie.
Yes, I remember seeing that. That was awesome.
So we have that, all the way to, low mileage, 2,700 miles on a convertible. Like, you have the entire range there, but we love it that way. And that goes for the VIP spot that we're giving away as well. So regardless of the restoration stage, we don't care. It doesn't matter what your car looks like. As long as you have a Fox body, you can win this spot.
Right, so the VIP spot, it's not like I have to have a low mileage 93 Cobra to get in the VIP.
Right, that has nothing to do with it.
Yeah, that's really cool. That's a neat thing. And I think the Fox body range years is at 78 to 93 is the years for targets.
Yeah.
Okay, any Fox chassis.
Any Fox chassis.
Any engine too, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. As long as it's not a Fox chassis, we're good.
It can have no engine, and that's okay.
That's true too. We have seen that.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Awards-wise, we'll talk about some of those other things. I know you guys do awards very differently.
Yeah. So it is popular vote. So everyone that is a registered participant will be allowed to vote. And like I said, it is popular vote, so it's not officially judged.
Only the people that can vote are just ones that are registered for the show then.
Yes.
So if you're a spectator, you can't vote.
That's
okay.
correct.
All right.
Yeah.
So that registration is important if you're in the show. Be sure you go around and vote. I mean, that's kind of neat. And then, what are the different categories?
So we've got, like your best 79 to 86 all original. Then we have your best 79 to 86 modified. And then the same thing for the Aero cars. And we have best in show and a couple of different categories like that. And then something unique that we also have is we want people to win prizes that will actually go towards their car, and especially if they're in the beginning stages of the restoration.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we have, most in need of upholstery or most in need of carpet. Like these things that people can win that can actually further their restoration and get them closer to where they want to be.
Yeah, one of the cool ones I remember is the person that won most in need of carpet a couple years ago, 2 or 3 years ago, was Ben Lineberger, and he won it for his Capri. He's been on the channel before.
Yeah.
So that was cool because we talked about that last time. Of course, he sold the car now. But anyway, that's fine. Maybe he'll get back in the Fox game one day.
Yeah.
So that's always cool to see that, and then they come to the show the next year, and now they have it, and maybe they win something else, right?
Right, absolutely. And because, we see Foxes as what they could be, not what they are right now. So, and especially as long as Foxtoberfest has been going, we're in the 10th year now. So, I mean, you could see a car one year, and then the next year it's a little bit different, and then 2 years from now it's like completely different, fully restored, like best in show type of thing.
It's funny you mentioned the best in show part, because until you said that, I felt like I was right there with you with my car. The first time I came to Foxtoberfest, it was white, it was stock height, it was Tar Heel Fox I'm talking about, and it's completely different now.
Yeah, you wouldn't even recognize it at that point.
No,
yeah.
But anyway, all that's true except for the best in show, because I'm no longer eligible to pay that. But that's okay. That's cool though, to see the transformation of the car there.
Yeah.
And actually, it's kind of a personal story. I want to share this. The first year that I got there, I parked beside somebody I didn't know. He also had a white convertible. And so I went the next year, and he said, "Oh, by the way, I know you're doing YouTube now. I parked beside you last year. Your car looks a lot different and stuff."
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and so we knew each other,
Yeah.
and he's like, "I knew you before you were on YouTube." I was like, "Okay, yeah. I was on YouTube before, but not like I am now, so I get it."
Yeah, now you have more subscribers and more views and
Yeah.
all that. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's really cool. We also have, though, I know one of the things we have at Foxtoberfest is different food trucks and those type of things. Will we have anything like that?
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll have food trucks, we'll have the swap meet will be set up, and we will have some vendors in the vendor section. Obviously, we'll be there with all of our new parts. We'll also have an accessories tent with all of this stuff, and then we'll also have an events shirt tent, so all the event shirts and sweatshirts and all of that kind of merchandise will be available as well.
And one of the things I remember that you've done in the past too is there's been a special section for Fox bodies for sale. Are we going to see that here as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've already got some cars signed up for that section. So
are they actually in the show, or is it just a separate part?
You can vote on them. They will have a sticker, but they will be kind of in a separate section, just so you know that those are the cars for sale.
Okay, very cool. And then obviously we're talking about the show. That's one day, that's on Saturday, but don't you have something the night before on the Friday night as well?
Yeah. So we have a kickoff party at Newfangled Brew Works in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. It's probably like 15 minutes from the AACA Museum. And they have a great, they have a small little parking lot kind of in the front of it, and then they have a larger parking lot in the back of it. We'll be there from 4 to 8. They are open later, but we won't be there that late because we have to get ready for the show in the morning.
I might be. Who knows?
You might be.
You might catch me at the bar.
They also serve food, barbecue. They have great brews, great food. It's a good time. It's a big open space, so lots of room for everyone to hang out.
Okay, cool. It'll kind of be like a mini pre-car show meet too. I'm sure there'll be lots of Fox bodies there outside.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. So yeah, it'll be flanked with Fox bodies front and back, and they're excited to have us. We're excited to be there.
Very cool. Well, it sounds like an exciting show. I'm really looking forward to going. I will be there, of course. And one of the new things before we go into what is included with VIP, you are going to be selling these chocolate Fox bars. right? And you're doing something like kind of Willy Wonka-ish. What is all that about?
Yeah. So we are, like I promised, we will have actual chocolate at the show. So you can buy a Hershey chocolate bar. Well, it's really a chocolate Fox bar. But anyway, you can buy one of those and all the proceeds will go to Big Brothers Big Sisters, which is our charity. But within one of those chocolate bars, we're gonna have a golden ticket. And the golden ticket gets you a 2022 VIP spot at the Chocolate Fox.
Now, if they win, Jen, I believe you told me they have to run around and say, I got a golden ticket. I got a gold. No?
That's just you.
Oh, just me. So if I open it up, guys, get the golden ticket, I have to do that and then I have to give it away, I think. I don't think I get to keep it.
Everybody saw it here. That's what we're doing.
True.
Write it down.
If I buy the bar with the golden ticket for Big Brothers Big Sisters, I promise I'll give that one away too. So there we go. Very cool.
Awesome.
But let's get more specifically, Jen, into what they get with the VIP spot, because it is special, and one of the things that they do have to have, we're going to talk about this a little bit later in the giveaway, but they're going to need to bring a Fox, obviously. So I know you get special parking, but besides parking for your Fox, what else do you get VIP?
Okay, so like your had said, these are limited spaces. We only have 32 spaces, and like I said, they are all sold out except for this one that we're giving away. And what you get is you get guaranteed paved parking, because this venue has a lot of rolling grass hills. It's very beautiful, but a lot of it's on grass. So this is guaranteed paved, and not just one space, but you actually get 2 paved parking spaces. We park you diagonally. And you also get, like he said earlier, you get early parking, so you get in early from 7 to 8 instead of getting there from 8 on. And then also included in the VIP package is a Chocolate Fox decal. And then also the parking sticker that they're gonna put on their car will be specific to the VIP section. We're also gonna have a VIP tent with tables and chairs where they can hang out. And then also we're gonna have catered lunch served to them in the VIP tent, so you don't have to go wait in a food truck line. Like, it'll be served to you.
Sometimes those lines are pretty long.
Yeah, for sure. And then the most exciting part is that we offer a VIP jacket that you cannot buy at the show. The only way you can get it is to register as a VIP. And it's an embroidered jacket. It's really gorgeous.
It's really exclusive to a one-year only jacket, right?
Right, exactly. It's very specific to this year and to the VIPs for this year.
Yeah, and I know we don't have an example of the jacket, guys, but we do have one from a previous, and I'm gonna throw that footage in right here where Jen kind of showed it off. It's a very nice jacket, so take a look at that.
So, and it's got like a small embroidered patch here on the front, and then it's got a large patch here on the back, and this Chocolate Fox will be the same thing, obviously with Chocolate Fox logo.
Right, it'll be this logo right here on the back,
right?
Yeah,
absolutely. Okay. So, but then they'll actually say VIP in it, in this part here.
Oh, awesome.
So yeah, these are really great jackets. They're fully woven like polyester. They've got zipper pockets. They've got a fleece lining. They're water and wind resistant. So they're really great jackets too.
Wow, catered lunch, personal VIP space, just a jacket, all these things, Jen, very exciting. Anything else that we've forgotten this massive VIP list? Oh, I know one.
What?
I can give them their jacket if they want.
Oh, yes.
Gearhead delivered.
Bonus.
Oh, that's optional, right? Maybe they don't want that, which is okay.
You guys want that.
Okay. Well, yeah, that's it. The show sounds exciting. The VIP is very exciting, that spot we're giving away. So let's go ahead and tell them how they can win. I think we should do that.
That
what
sounds
do you think?
good. Yeah.
All right. So like we said earlier, you're going to have to bring a Fox body, a 78 to 93, which I forget what the 78s are. Do you remember? Zephyr, maybe? Yeah.
Did I win?
I think she's right. Jen's usually right. But yeah, so any 78, 93 Fox chassis, you have to bring one to the show. So everything we're talking about in the VIP, you can't just win that without a Fox, right?
Right.
So if you guys win it, you're going to get with Jen, and she's going to register your car, right? You're going to do the official registration when we get you in contact with the winner. Yeah. And you're going to have to tell her what car you're bringing to the show. Yeah. And if you say, anything other than a 78 to 93 Fox body, I'm sorry. We're going to put it on to the next person. Yeah, you're out.
Disqualified.
No strike 1, 2, or 3. You're simply out. So bring your Fox. That's the most important thing. But the way that you can win, and what we're thinking, Jen, is just have them comment down below. Yep. This video you're watching right here, it only works on this video. Put your year of your Fox body, whether it's 78 Mustang or 82 Capri, or I said 78 Mustang, but I meant 88 Mustang. You guys know what I'm talking about. 78 Zephyr, thanks Jen for that one. Yeah. Whatever it is, just put the year and Mustang Capri, whatever it is, Zephyr. So they'll do that, and then we're gonna have a random draw. It's not like we're gonna pick, it's not like, oh, look, we've got Mike Clay's 80 Cobra, he gets in automatically. Love you, Mike. But it's not like that, okay? So it's just whatever Fox you want in any state, like you said, Jen, whatever state they wanna bring it in, as long as the Fox. comment down below, and then I'll have a random drawing. This video is going up on April 14th, and so you have to comment below between April 14th and April 19th, because on the 20th, we're gonna do the drawing. So if it's April 20th, you're already too late, unfortunately, sorry. We have a limited window because the show is pretty soon. When is the show? I didn't talk about the day of the show, but
it is May 15th, that's a Saturday, and then the kickoff party is May 14th.
On the Friday before. Okay,
yeah.
So roughly a month, exactly a month from when this video goes up will be the kickoff.
Yeah.
Pretty close.
I know.
So we got to get them registered.
Yes.
So I will announce the winner in my following video. So this video is going up on the 14th. On the 21st, I'm going to pin a comment to the top of the video of whoever the winner was. And then you'll see who the winner is in the comment. I'll tell them exactly what to do, how to contact me, and we'll get you in touch with Jen and get you all registered. So for some reason that person can't make it, we'll give them a little bit of time to respond. We'll give them probably at least a day or two. We'll give you 48 hours to respond. So the winner is announced on the 21st. You'll have until the 23rd. You haven't responded by then, we're gonna pick the next winner, so on and so forth. But yeah, that's all you gotta do. You don't have to be like following Instagram or any of that stuff, although we do appreciate it if you follow us. Gearhead 704,
Fox Resto.
Yep, there you go. But not required for entry to the show, and really, that's all we got to do to enter, right?
Yeah, that's it.
So pretty simple, pretty excited. I can't wait to be there. First time ever. How many Foxes are we expecting? Yeah, I know, right? First time for everybody.
Inaugural Chocolate Fox Show.
Oh, you can't miss that.
Yeah, we're expecting probably somewhere around 220 Foxes in the show total.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, it's about half the size of what we've seen in Foxtoberfest, but given the venue, it'll look pretty
right,
packed.
Exactly. So I will tell you that we will be having a different venue next year because the response has been overwhelming, and this is the first time that we've had a show that we sold out of. The venue is very small, and we will find something different for next year, and it'll be explosive.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. It's going to be crazy. So, and you can find all about that here on the channel, because I'm sure we'll announce it here as well. So, cool. Well, I'm excited, and we'll see you guys at Chocolate Fox Show in like, just a little over a month for us.
Yeah.
So it's coming.
It's coming up.
You ready, Jen? It's coming.
I'm ready.
We're ready. Cool. Well, that's going to do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks, Jen, for being here, explaining this. I'm really excited too. Thanks for letting me give away through the channel the last spot in the
Absolutely.
show.
Your fans are great.
I think so. So appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping here for the first time, please subscribe, especially if you want to try to win this. And that's pretty much it. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Bye.
We would love to have this kind of show where we are.
Okay.
Sorry, dog got out.
Uh-oh. That's not good. If you're seeing this in bloopers, don't worry, Lily's okay. Sorry, I interrupted you. What's up?
Filming in progress. Guaranteed paid parking, early parking.
Our notes are right down here.
Yeah, they are. It's a big list.
You get a lot of stuff.
Okay, they do.
Hold on.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Tyson is excited about the Chocolate Fox decal.
I mean, I can see why.
So the first thing that you need is a 2020 Shelby GT500. No, I'm just kidding. Not true at all, sorry. All right, I think we got it. What do you think?